It's time to set the bar higher, to rethink productivity as we know it. It's time to challenge the old assumptions. Success can no longer be defined solely by acres or yield. Your farm has to be as efficient as possible. And greater productivity only comes from putting your land, seed, fertilizer, chemicals, equipment, and manpower to optimal use. At Case IH, we call it high-efficiency farming. To help you achieve this, we constantly rethink every aspect of our equipment solutions, integrating the right innovations to boost your productivity and profitability. We even think of ways to impact your bottom line years from now. That's why we've developed this autonomous concept vehicle. Imagine being able to remotely operate and monitor your equipment via a portable tablet. You could just select a vehicle and send it to the field. Without an operator, the equipment would travel along private, pre-mapped guidance routes. Advanced obstacle detection will enable it to stop and wait for obstacles to clear before continuing on its route. In other cases, it would stop and send you an alert. Using real-time views from onboard cameras, you'll be able to direct the equipment to the best route around the obstacle. The system's software would automatically plot the most efficient in-field paths. And you'd make the most of narrow weather windows and work around the clock when needed, increasing overall productivity. For even greater flexibility, you could go fully autonomous or opt for a cabbed machine with both traditional driving capabilities and automation. This equipment could work in tandem with your current machines or as a fleet. What's more, autonomous equipment would work seamlessly with Case IH advanced farming systems to deliver more control than ever before and allow you to execute field prescriptions and collect the data you need for next season. As a leader in agriculture, Case IH and CNH Industrial bring you the kind of thinking that gives you the power to boost your efficiency today and in the future.